Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete IMO profile picture. It's really simple and easy. For this, first of all, open up the IMO application in your mobile device. Once you open it, you have to make sure that you are logged into your account. After that, just simply tap on the profile picture in the top left corner here. Now from here, simply go ahead and tap on your username, and here you will see your profile picture, your username and your name, and here you will find this option here, edit. Just simply tap on this edit and you can see the first option here is avatar. Just simply tap on this avatar here, and now you can see this camera icon in the top right corner. Just simply tap on it, and now you can use your emo avatar. You can take a photo with your camera, or you can upload it from your album as well. So as you can see, there is no such option to delete it, but what you can do is you can download the empty profile picture from Google or Pinterest, and then you can use it. So people will see you have no profile picture on IMO. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to delete your IMO profile picture. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.